Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something truly exciting for all you fishing and boating enthusiasts out there. We're about to dive into the details of what we believe is the best pontoon boat available in the market, the classic accessories Colorado Pontoon Boat. Look at this beauty, folks. The Colorado Pontoon Boat offers an incredible fishing experience, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. In this 10-minute video, we'll cover everything you need to know about this fantastic watercraft. First, let's talk about the basics. The classic accessories Colorado Pontoon Boat is a 9-foot high-capacity pontoon boat designed for both beginners and experienced anglers. It's a fishing craft that has taken the market by storm, and here's why. The Colorado Pontoon Boat boasts a range of key features that make it stand out from the competition. It has a maximum weight capacity of 400 pounds, ensuring you can carry all your gear without worry. Abrasion-resistant PVC bottom and rugged nylon top for durability. High storage capacity with 10 mesh pockets, 12 zippered pockets, and 2 insulated drink holders. Multiple rod holder positions for convenience. Integrated anchor system with a fillable mesh bag. Sturdy 2-position motor mount for trolling. Padded fold-down plastic seat for comfort. Non-slip footrests for safety. Dual-side stripping apron with fish ruler. Quick inflation, deflation valves for convenience. Now, let's talk about assembly and portability. The Colorado Pontoon Boat is surprisingly easy to set up, and it's incredibly portable. You can disassemble it quickly for transport, making it perfect for those who want to explore different water bodies. But what really matters is how it performs on the water, right? Well, I took this beauty out for a spin, and I can tell you it's a dream to maneuver. Whether you're fishing in calm lakes or tackling Class 1 or 2 rivers, this boat handles it all with ease. Nimble and stable, perfect for different water conditions. Suitable for downstream excursions on rivers. Easy to row forward and backward. Option to install a trolling motor or small outboard for added convenience. Inside, you'll find an abundance of storage options. With over 20 pockets and 2 insulated drink holders, you can bring all your gear and stay organized throughout your fishing trip. Plus, the padded seat and adjustable footrests ensure you're comfortable all day long. So, in conclusion, the classic accessories Colorado Pontoon Boat is a game-changer for fishing enthusiasts. Its durability, convenience, and exceptional on-water performance make it the best pontoon boat on the market today. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. If you already own one of these pontoon boats or have any questions, please leave your comments below. Until next time, happy fishing and happy boating. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for the latest updates and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.